In this video, I will show you how to turn off cameos on the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. If you are searching for turn off cameos button or settings in the Snapchat, then you won't find it. But if you want to delete your cameos, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application. Once you will here, now you have to click on the chats, and you will see all of your chats here, and you have to click on your profile icon from the left top. Once you will do it, now you will in your profile you have to click on the settings from the right top, tap on it and scroll up and go to the end, and here you will see clear my cameo selfie. Tap on it and you will see this will delete your current cameo selfie, selected body type and related photo data. You will have to take a new cameo selfie to be able to access cameo. After that, simply click on the clear and your cameo will be turned off from your Snapchat profile. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.